Morgan. So I have this little like blue plastic, I guess this was like marketed as like a photo box to hold photos in, but this came with the essentially the closing mechanism broken. Part of it was like snapped off. I don't see it in so it came as part of a set, and I've been using these to organize like my sewing notions and stuff, but this one is broken and won't stay closed on its own, which is not ideal. But I figured out a quick, just not ideal, but a temporary fix for this, and that is to use a hair elastic, one that has a lot of stretch to it, and to just like pull it over it, and then because it has these parts that stick out a little more here, this is going to stay on securely, like it's not going to go beyond this point really on its own without human help. So this is a way that I can still store stuff in here without it falling out. So like, let me put a few things in here. Like before, if I tried to store this, it would like open up. But now if I try to store these and I use this hair elastic, it's going to stay closed on its own. I've also used this fix to hold, just a moment, let me grab this, to hold like bobbin cases shut. Like this one, just, it doesn't really stay closed on its own. I don't think it has a proper locking mechanism, so it's a little inconvenient, like if it gets jostled around, like the bobbins can fall out. And I also use that, like a hair elastic, to help keep this closed as well. So yeah, this is just a quick fix for getting little plastic things where the locking mechanism is broken or missing to stay closed. I hope that this helps solve some of your organization problems. I hope that you have a great day.